Hi guys, it's Asaka. I just arrived in Tokyo and checked in Upper Hotel in Toranomon, which is near Sinbashi station. I was gonna just do a room tour for you. I stayed in a basic single room, so here you go. Here is a bed. It's a single, but I think it's sort of double size bed. So next to the bed there is a fridge, which was empty, but I put some stuff that I purchased from convenience store. And this is the switch for the fridge, so you have to turn it on to make it work. And here is a mirror, and you also have a electric kettle so you can make tea. I also noticed there is a drawer next to the fridge, which has cups with tea, green tea and English tea. And here is a jacket hanger. Okay, next to the entrance you have bathroom. Okay, and you have toilet here, and it has Japanese toilet system like this. And as you enter, you have bathtub with overhead shower. And you have amenities of shampoo, conditioner and body soap. And there's a tiny sink with hand soap with 2 cups. And these are the amenities that you can get. So toothbrush, shavers, brush. This is body towel. It's shower cap, cottons and cotton buds, and also hair bands. And here is a big mirror. Hi. And you also get supplied with a hand towel and big size towel. Hi, so also in this TV you can watch free movies, and if you pay extra supplements you can watch unlimited movies. And they also have English channels like BBC, so if you switch the language you can watch them in English. And Upper Hotel has a large chain of hotels everywhere in Japan, and especially in Tokyo or big cities like Osaka. There's so many branches, and they're all located in convenient location near the station, so please check it out. And for this room I paid 10,000 yen, which is almost like £60. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you soon.